Your stomach is a churning cauldron. It holds a powerful acid. This acid can dissolve metal. Amazingly, it doesn't dissolve you. How is this possible? Your stomach has an ingenious defense system. It protects itself from its own digestive powers. Without these defenses, our stomachs would digest themselves. The star of this story is hydrochloric acid. This acid is vital for digestion. It breaks down food. It also activates enzymes. These enzymes help with nutrient absorption. However, hydrochloric acid is corrosive. It can burn through tissue. So how can your stomach contain it safely? The first line of defense is a layer of mucus. This mucus is thick and slippery. It coats the entire stomach lining. This mucus barrier is more than just a lining, it's a dynamic shield. It's constantly replenished by cells in the stomach wall. Section 4. Bicarbonate, the acid neutralizer. The mucus layer has another trick up its sleeve, bicarbonate. Bicarbonate is an antacid. It neutralizes the hydrochloric acid. This creates a pH gradient within the mucus. The pH is lowest near the stomach's contents. It gradually increases towards the stomach wall. This keeps the acid at bay. Section 5. Cellular renewal, a constant battle. Even with these defenses, some damage occurs. Stomach cells have a high turnover rate. They are constantly being replaced. Every few days, your stomach lining is entirely renewed. This rapid regeneration is crucial. It ensures that damaged cells are quickly replaced. Section 6. When defenses crumble, the threat of ulcers. Sometimes the stomach's defenses are overwhelmed. This can happen due to stress. Certain medications can also disrupt the mucus layer. A bacterium called H. pylori can weaken the lining. When these defenses fail, ulcers can form. Ulcers are painful sores in the stomach lining. Section 7. A fortress under siege. Your stomach is a fortress. It is engaged in a constant battle. It must digest food without digesting itself. This balancing act is a testament to the body's complexity. It highlights the importance of a well-functioning digestive system. Fun fact: the hydrochloric acid in your stomach is so strong it can dissolve some metals. Fortunately, your stomach has clever ways to protect itself. Section 8. The final defense. Despite the constant onslaught of potential threats, your stomach has a final line of defense that ensures its survival. Specialized cells in the stomach lining produce a thick, protective mucus that acts as a barrier against the harsh, acidic environment. This mucus not only shields the stomach walls but also provides a nurturing environment for the cells to repair and regenerate. Additionally, the stomach's ability to rapidly replace its lining every few days ensures that any damage is quickly repaired, maintaining its structural integrity. This remarkable system underscores the resilience and adaptability of our bodies. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. See you next time.